Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I haven't posted in a while, so I think today we're going to do a 5-minute cooking lesson. Okay, we're going to learn how to make butterbeer. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is gather our ingredients. What we need is 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of water, 3/4 cup half and half, or cream, 3/4 of a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and don't forget the 6 tablespoons of pure Irish butter. And last but not least, 3/4 of a tablespoon of rum extract. Let's get cooking. Okay, so on medium-high heat, the first thing you're gonna do is put 1 cup of brown sugar in the pan and melt it. So while you're melting, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of water. Alrighty, let's add that. Okay, and you're going to stir quickly while you're melting this. Alright, so that's melting. And once it gets just a little bit more melted, we're going to add 6 tablespoons of melted butter. Okie dokie, so we are going to add 6 tablespoons of butter. Alrighty, so let's add that. Okay. Then you're gonna let that melt in and then stir it. Alright, so once melted, your brown sugar and butter should start to look like this, like have a syrupy consistency. It should be just on the brink of boiling. You're going to add 3/4 of a teaspoon apple cider vinegar. You can add a little bit more if you want a more pungent drink, but I'm just going to keep with the recipe. Alright, so let's add that in and stir it. Alright, so next you're going to lower the heat so it's just almost off. So you want to keep it on very low heat, and you're going to add your cream. Alright, so let's add that in. And stir it. Okay, and last but not least, you're going to add 3/4 of a tablespoon of rum extract, which will give it a delicious flavor. Okay, so you're gonna stir that in, and it should be a little bit thicker than this. So I do suggest using heavy whipping cream, but once you refrigerate it, it will start to thicken up. Okay, so let's refrigerate it for, say, 15 minutes. Alrighty, so I didn't freeze. I chilled the syrup, so now it's thicker. So you're going to fill just about 1/8 of the glass with this syrup. So just about that much. Then you're going to add your favorite cream soda. I am using just brand cream soda, so let me get that. Alrighty, so we'll add that cream soda in. Add that in. Okay, so that wasn't enough cream soda, so you need like 12 full ounces if you wanted a serving. But anyway, let's mix that up. So you grab yourself a spoon and stir. And I'm going to add some ice, so presto. And now you got yourself an iced butterbeer. Add some coffee for an iced butterbeer latte. Ooh. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you enjoyed this video, then please drop a like and consider subscribing. Well, that's Jackson signing out.